Welcome back to the channel. If you've been organizing your workspace in Clickup and ended up with extra views that you no longer need, don't worry, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the complete 2025 guide on how to delete a view in Clickup, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up your workspace and keep everything neat and clutter-free. Let's jump right in. First, head over to clickup.com in your browser. On the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click on it. From here, sign in with your account. If you've already connected your Google account, this part is super easy. Just one click and you're in. Once you're logged into your dashboard, it's time to locate the view you want to remove. Views in Clickup can be found inside your lists, spaces, or even your dashboards. Navigate to the right location and then click on the specific view you no longer need. Now, here's the important part. To delete a view, simply right-click on the view's name. This will open up a context menu. From the list of options, select Delete View. Before anything is permanently removed, Clickup will show you a confirmation prompt. This is just a safeguard to make sure you don't accidentally delete something important. If you're certain about your choice, go ahead and confirm. And just like that, the view is gone. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective. Deleting unnecessary views not only declutters your workspace, but also makes navigation so much faster. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ClickUp guides and productivity hacks. And if you've got questions or want me to cover another feature, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.